everybody, it's Renari. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Stray Kids The Sound Japanese comeback. The last Japanese comeback was amazing, so I'm excited for this one. I have not done Stray Kids Replay yet because the album is like 3 albums. It's so long and YouTube just hates me, so I haven't done it yet because I'm just worried. But I'm excited for this. It's just the music video, just one song. I missed reacting to them, so let's get into it. And if you guys are just finding my channel, you can do these things to be able to keep up with me. Okay, it doesn't look like there's a lyric, so we might have to find a video after, but let's go. Hi. I guess that was the sound. Oh. Oh, hold on. The sparkly outfit and love and horn. So cool. He's a fucking wine. Why is he so wine? Oh my god. Ew, why is he smirking like that? Okay, sorry. This was really cool. Okay.
The crowd's gonna follow us to get pitchage, but to kill bang bang, gotta shut it down now.
No, Han! I'm sorry, Han! Just hit. You're beautiful. Ooh! So beautiful. Ooh! Oh my god, that outfit. Okay. You're like, oh, is that supposed to be like a metronome? Was that what they were doing at first too? Kind of. Oh, that actually pauses. I thought my screen paused. Like right there. Paused. That's cool. Oh, there's 3 different outfits there. Wow. That. Oh no, I thought it changed again. My bad. I like how, like, shush. Shush with your eyebrow. Why? I love that this is like kind of low key, this song. All about this bass. Ooh! What are you? Like, what is that? That's so cool. That's oh my god, it sounds like puts like a rift in time. Oh, you sound so pretty there. What is happening? That was a really, really cool music video. just like concept wise, that's awesome. And I like that it wasn't like too much in terms of effects, because the scenery, not the scenery, but the locations were kind of like low key in this house and stuff. They didn't move around too much. Okay, I need the lyrics. But I love the song. 2 weeks ago? God damn, where have I been? Really? Why do I feel like I just... What's wrong with me? Okay, let's see. Nice.
The crowd's gonna follow us to get pitch하게 but to kill bang bang gotta shut it down now. Oh nothing better. Yeah nothing better. 야미 못해라시 다스하지 말이 no spotlight. This is the sound. It's the sound.
Oh, I love that. Oh, I love that. They're just, like, obviously I heard this is the sound, it's our sound, but they're really focusing on the instrumental. They're really focusing on the beat of the song. And they're just, like, straight up telling you, and they do this a lot. Like, Thunderous was big on that, but they do this a lot where they're just like, we're going to do what we're going to do, and the people that like it are going to like it. It doesn't matter, and we're going to own that. And so that's this concept again, which is great. They all have such strong points in the song. They all sound so good. It's so cool. Just the piano. Ah. It feels too short. Like, it is the perfect length. It just feels too short. I really, really like it. I like it has a rock influence. It has that bass. It's just really cool and dark, especially with the music video. Very good. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I love that so far I've checked out this and Circus and Your Eyes in terms of their Japanese releases, and all of them are so conceptual. Like, all of them have their own vibe going on. It has nothing to do with like the storyline and stuff that's usually going on in their videos. I mean, I guess if you think about it, all of their title tracks also have their own like atmospheres, their own vibe to them. But it's especially evident the difference between those three songs, The Sound, Your Eyes, Circus, like completely different things that they're all doing very well. So far so good with Japanese releases. Hopefully I can get back to their Korean releases, and I will see you guys very soon.